Namaskar, my name is Shami Gupta and I'm the founder of Shami Zagalia. In today's series, I'm going to show you 10 practices which are highly recommended for breast cancer survivors. We had designed these practices for one of the trusts we are associated with for breast cancer survivors for more than 5 years, and these practices have shown amazing results. Our first practice is breathing. This has to be your first practice and also your last practice. So you're starting with breathing and you're closing with breathing. The breathing is abdominal and your chest breathing. So you're working with the abdomen and the chest. To begin with, sit in any comfortable position. If you want, you can take support of the wall. If you want, you can sit on the chair, absolutely as per your comfort. Once you are comfortable and your spine is tall, relax for a few seconds. Breathe in, breathe out deeply through your abdomen for the next 2 rounds to relax. Place your right palm on your abdomen. For the next 5 rounds, you will inhale very deeply into your abdomen, navel to be very precise, and you will exhale into the navel very gently. Always start with exhalation. Inhale. Exhale. To begin with, we are starting only with 5 rounds. Once you are done with 5 rounds, continue placing your right palm on your stomach and bring your left palm on the chest. Now as you inhale, first expand your abdomen, then your chest. As you exhale, first release your chest and then your abdomen. And again, we are starting with 5 rounds. Exhale first. Inhale. Exhale. We have started with 5 rounds. Once you are comfortable, move to 8 rounds and then 10 rounds. Ensure you go very slowly by filling your stomach and then your chest, and by releasing through the chest and then stomach, and then build up. Don't be in a hurry. Let's move to the next practice. Moving to our second practice. During the second practice, we are opening the arms out and closing it in. The opening will happen with inhalation and the closure with exhalation. So you will stretch your arms out completely in front. Keep your spine tall. As you inhale, with your inhalation, you're just spreading your arms apart. Pause for a second. Exhale. Bring your palms into each other. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very softly, only 5 rounds. You'll have to ensure you start with 5 rounds and then build up on that. Otherwise, you might feel you're getting tired. The next one, arms on the knees. Keep your spine tall. As you inhale, arms will go up into the ceiling. As you exhale, bring the arms back into the knees. Keep your spine tall. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. If you think you're getting tired with 5 rounds, you can always go with 2 or 3 rounds and then gradually build up on that. Keep sipping water in between if you feel so, or continue taking break and keep coming back to practice. Pull your hips out just to ensure that you have a broader base. Now, hook the fingers. You can see my right hand is close to the chest and left away from the chest. And I'm creating a hook. See the hook? I've created a hook. Once I create the hook, I'm pulling my elbows apart. Once you think your elbows are pulled apart, also focus on pulling these areas out. Pull out. This is a very gentle strength building. See. Okay. Ensure there is no strain on the lower back, so slightly tuck your tummy in. Elbows apart, just stay there. This can be tiring because you are like your elbows are up, it's moving away from the gravity, and there is, this has become an anti-gravity muscles. Hold on to that. Hold with normal breathing. You can start with 10 seconds, go up to 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. If you're there for a minute, it simply means it has really worked on your arms and your arms have become very strong. Once you are done, just take a break and relax. We are creating another hook. So now, see, I've just changed my hand position. So my hand, now the left is close to the chest and the right is away from the chest. And again I'm creating a hook, a tight hook. See, and elbows are being pulled apart, what I had done the previous time, chest wide open. Now I'm pushing the elbows out to the right while getting my hip to the left. Complete twist while keeping the spine tall. Inhale, bring the hook in the middle, move it out to the left and then turn your head to the right. Inhale in the middle, exhale to the opposite side. Inhale in the middle, exhale. 2 sets over. Inhale in the middle, exhale. Continue pulling apart as much as you can. Inhale and exhale. 3 sets over. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. 4 sets over. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, release. We did 5 sets. Again, if you think this is tiring, please ensure to start with 1 or 2 sets. Again, create a hook. This time, my right hand is close to the chest and the left away from the chest. Again, I am creating a hook and pulling my elbows apart, shoulders are relaxed. Now, with inhalation, I am just pulling the arms out, taking it up above my head. With the exhalation, I am bringing it at the back. Inhale up, exhale. This is 1 round. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, it's going in a rhythm now. Exhale. Please ensure that during the movement, the head doesn't come out. The head is fixed above the neck. Only the arms are moving. 4. And if you are not able to take your arms behind, you can just keep it here only. Absolutely as per your comfort. This way. So basically, you'll have to do 5 rounds. Okay? Inhaling, going up, exhaling behind, inhaling up, exhaling, coming forward. Total 5 rounds. Create a hook. Left hand close to the chest, right hand in front. Elbows are apart, chest wide open. Again, the arms with inhalation is going out in front, up. As you exhale, it is going sideways. So I'm bringing my right elbow down to the floor and left elbow up to the ceiling, and also resting my head so that there is no strain on the neck. Stay there. There may be slight curvature at the back. Tuck it in. Inhale, exhale. Continue supporting your head. 1 over. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This may be tiring. Go with like few numbers and then build up on that. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly relax again. Your head should not come forward. Your head is constantly fixed on your neck. If it comes forward, you'll end up with neck pain. So it's really important you keep your head fixed on the neck. Now again, right hand close to the chest, left out. This time full circle. So I'm inhaling, taking my hand out to the right. Inhale up and behind. Exhale, go sideways and in front. 1 over. It's a full circle. Inhale. You'll have to ensure that the head doesn't come forward. Exhale. 2 over. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. And then change the hook. I change the hook. Pull my arms apart. Now inhaling, going to the left. Up. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. Full circle. A lot of opening into the upper part of the body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can see my head is stacked at the top of the neck. Only the shoulders are moving. We are creating a lot of mobility around the chest and the shoulders so that the stiffness is released. And release. 5 rounds. Just relax for a few seconds. The next one is a very simple one. It's like you're just combing your hair. So you're replicating the action of combing the hair. So my right arm up, see this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it bigger. 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Stay there. Mudras have created its own world in the realm of yoga, and the practitioners who do mudra very regularly, they swear by the effect of mudra in their life. I'm going to show you 3 mudras which are meant for breast cancer survivors and have shown an amazing result with regular practice. The first one is Apana Mudra. As the name indicates, Apana Mudra is the mudra for excretion. So it basically removes all the toxins from your body. For Apana Mudra, the fingers which are used is thumb, the middle finger and the ring finger. And what we do, we touch. See, we touch the tip of the thumb with the tip of the index finger and the ring finger like this. And the rest of fingers are relaxed. This is your Apana Mudra. See, this is your Apana Mudra. Okay. You'll have to combine it together very gently. If you think you cannot be like this for a while, you can just tape it and be there. You can just sit comfortably if you're okay, or you have to sit because you cannot do anything. So this is your Apana Mudra. See, the thumb, the middle finger and your ring finger tips combined together very gently, and you are staying there. That was our first mudra, Apana Mudra. The next mudra is Prana Mudra. As the name indicates, it enhances pranic energy in your body. During cancer and during the treatment, a lot of medications are taken that makes your body acidic. This mudra will really help increase the pranic energy in your body. For that, we are using the thumb, okay, the ring finger and the little finger. And what you are doing, you are just touching. See, you are touching the tip of these fingers. The next 2 fingers are out, this way, this way. And you can just you can tape it if you are uncomfortable. Be there, for 10 minutes. Basically, all these 3 mudras combined, you'll have to do it for 10 minutes at one go. You can just sit over there. You can sit, watch TV, you can talk to somebody, but ensure this is there. So this is your second mudra, which is your Prana Mudra. Just be there. The third one is Nana Mudra. That is the master mudra, and it's called the mudra of wisdom. For that, it is the thumb and the index finger. And we just combine the tip very gently. There is no pressure. Very gently we combine. If you want, as a beginner, you can tape it and then you can sit like this. Or you can watch TV, you can lie down, you can sleep like this. Normal breathing. Just be aware. That's all you have to do. So these 3 mudras, which is your Apana Mudra, Prana Mudra and Nana Mudra. Practice for 10 minutes, 3 times a day. Or at one go, you can practice it for 30 minutes, your choice. So these were the practices, which will really help you enhance your pranic energy. The kind of movement what we did from the beginning, that is completely working in this area. Not only is it increasing the blood circulation, but also increasing the mobility as well as the strength in this area. Once you start working regularly, with these practices, you'll see in a span of like 2 weeks, 3 weeks or a month, you can start feeling a lot of flexibility, and all your action, your day-to-day action will be really easy to conduct. So start slow, do start with 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Do twice or thrice a day if you are not able to do for a longer period of time at one go, and then build up on that. And trust me, that is going to enhance your energy